What's up, guys? Welcome to another one. So today we're doing just one place. Kind of a slow week, but the place we're doing is this place here. It's gonna be an Airbnb, but apparently the owner of this place, it's a 3,500 square foot place, owns all the houses on this road. So the carpet's in really great condition. So we're just gonna go ahead and clean all the carpets. I'm gonna do 7 chairs, armchairs. I think it'll probably take us about 2.5 hours. We already pre-sprayed. Right now we're taping off everything, make sure we don't damage anything. And yeah, stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry, industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be. Alright, so yeah, this is a carpet barber. Already vacuumed and put the pre-spray down. The whole upstairs, we're using carpet detail, so in the carpet there, but yeah. So should be some easy cleaning. There's some spots here and then we're gonna hit with the hand drill and manually scrub certain areas, but no need to pull out the CRB or anything like that. All right, stitching. The sun damage, you can tell it's bright right here, and then where the furniture was sitting. So it looks like a stain, but it's actually all of that is brighter. Little spots here and there. Aaron's actually extracting right now. I guess the carpet's 15 years old, but the people hardly ever were here. I mean, so the place is pretty much in immaculate condition. They're just doing some projects and getting ready for vacation rentals, because that's a big thing in my area. And I've been getting a lot of work from these areas, these places, and that's a good account to get, guys, if you're in an area where you got a lot of vacation rentals, Airbnbs and stuff like that. Good to impress those people. Looks good. So as you can tell, we got all corners carved down. top of the stairs, we use tape. And if we run corner guards, which I only usually bring 4 with me, it's usually enough most of the time. Then we'll put blue tape also. Looks like it's an overboard, guys, but better to be overboard than damage a place like this. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking on getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course below all my videos in a link. How to start a carpet cleaning business, not only the technical side, but how to get people to call you, the business side. All right, and if you like any of the tools I use, also below all the videos that I post. Back to the video. So very important, guys, when you're doing Berber carpet, whether it's natural, fiber, nylon, whatever. If it's hard for you to identify Berber, it looks like this. Okay, and there's different shades of it. Really low pile. Make sure you use a close to neutral pH cleaner. Encapsulation, preferably. I'm using Carpet Details, as you all know. So, alright, so that hose rubbing on the door as you're doing cleaning behind it, it's a no-no. This is oil-based. It didn't do anything to it, but you know, it's these little things you gotta watch out for. If you want to do quality work and have outstanding reviews from high quality customers, those are the little things you gotta do. Okay, so anyway, so I just let them know, you know, no rubbing, period. That noise is no. So as far as doing Berber type carpets, it's really important to not have your PSI too high. 400 is fine, and make sure you do dry strokes. I mean compulsively, and make sure everything's sprayed down, pre-sprayed evenly. Because once everything dries, then things will pop back up really easy on these type of carpets, especially the lighter carpets like this. We're going to be doing these 7 chairs. Finished up the house already, so this should probably take us about an hour, and we'll be out of here. Already pre-sprayed this, a little bit of scrubbing here and there, but not much needed. All right, all finished up, guys. Took us 2 hours and 45 minutes. Leave the quotes for $850. I'll put it up at the end of the video, somewhere around there. And everything went good, so easy to clean. They aren't always this easy, but every once in a while you come across homes that aren't even dirty and you gotta clean them, so that's good. So it looks like the customer just showed up, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. And not bad for a 2 hour, 45 minute day.